Welcome to the new episode of DHTML Practical. In this session, I am going to discuss about uh, the concept of jQuery for selector by position or order selection. So, how to select the element from HTML document using jQuery, and let's see how you can select through the selector but by its position or the order. So let's see. The element order selector makes it possible to select the element based on the order. The order, that means the first element, second element, third element. So that is the order. So that is the sequential order. So you can see that the syntax is colon first and the selector, right? So this is how you can select the first selector from that category. So this selector can only select the one single element from the group, right? Let's say the selector is P, right? But in one document there may be a 5 paragraph. So using colon first, you can select the first paragraph only. This selector is used when we use a same element more than one time in the document. If we want to select only the first position element of that group, so we define the tag name and then put colon symbol and write the first as a keyword. As selector name, we can only use two position, first and last. So similarly, colon last to select the last element. You can see the example. See, the syntax is dollar tag name colon first and then event. So you can see that here how to use that dollar division, and from the division tag category you want to select the first division tag, right? And uh, the event which I have called here, that is hover, right? So when mouse over, this function will work. So dollar division first, so the first division makes its color as red, so the css.css event is used, right? So using that you can make it the color, the font color red. So this is how you can use first. Same way, using colon last keyword, you can select the last selector. See, so many links are there. By just pause this video, you can read the code and you can perform it in your computer. See, this is the category of last selector. So it works similar, only the selection of the selector will be last, right? So division colon last, right? And this is how you can apply. Then we have odd selector and even selector. Same like the first and last, we want to select the elements from same group in odd and even index. We will define the tag name uh, and odd. It will select only the odd elements of the same group. Let's see the tag name odd, right? So the tag name, let's say even. So you can see that, see the first tr dot hover event, the over function, then dollar tr odd, right? So the background color will be red and the font color is white, and even uh, table rows are background colors are blue and the font colors are white, right? So you can see there is a table, row 1 column 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, 5, 6, right? So total 6 rows are there. So the 1, 3 and 5, right, that colors, right, I mean all those are odd numbers, and 0, 2 and 4, or you can say the as per the content, the 2, 4, 6 row are the even rows, right, so their background color will be blue. So this is how it will work by mouse over event. Then colon EQ selector or array selector is known as, right, so this selector is used when we use more than one element of same name. If we want to access selector by its index, we use EQ index. Then inside round braces, index of same group of tag. By default, the index starts with 0 because our array starts with 0 up to n number. See, so from the array index, you can select, let's say, the UL tag, hover effect, over event, then li eq2, so that will be selecting the third li tag because it starts from 0, right, so li eq2, so the text will be dot text is pineapple, li eq4, the css function is used, and color is red, font size is 20. See, so the program is body ul apple, banana, mango, watermelon and orange, right, so you want to use pineapple, you want to add pineapple. Let's see the program. See, so first original fruits apple, banana, mango, watermelon and orange, no pineapple is there. After applying, I mean mouse over event, right, you can see the third element replaced with pineapple instead of mango, right, and though it is a black and white printout, you can't get it, otherwise it will display the fourth li element, that is red, and the font size is 20. So see, the fourth, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so the orange will be red and the font size is 20. The last one for selecting the element, that is selecting the elements using selectors by attribute. We all know that HTML elements are always used with attributes with specific value. If we want to select same element in program, we can use its attribute as selector. If we want to select image from the web page by its alt attribute, we can use alt attribute as selector. When use attribute as selector, you need to define attribute selector in square brackets like the attribute. See the syntax. Dollar in double quotes with square bracket, write the attribute name. So the tag name and tag name with attribute name is also you can use, right. See the example. Let's say you want to select the attribute of image tag, so image is the tag name, then put colon and in the bracket put alt attribute, and the name of alt attribute is sun image. Let's see the example so that you will be more clear about this. See, jQuery document.write, ready, division, mouse enter event by entering the mouse. See, the type is the attribute, so after that animate function, so the font size will be 10 pixels, padding left is 20 pixels, p align, so the paragraph of align attribute, right, apply the color red, font size 50 pixels, image alt attribute sun image and hide with 2000s, that is seconds, Let's see. See, so type attribute, p align attribute, and image alt attribute, right? So there is image alt, sun image, moon image, alt flower. So this will affect to sun image. So this is the first sun image, right? So when mouse enters, right, this image will be hide. So you can see the p align, right? So you can point to this element and what effect you have applied to that paragraph. Color will be red and font size 50 pixels. So when mouse enters, the first that sun image will be hide, right? And the paragraph only change its color and font size, so that changed the color, right? And there is one more attribute I have used, right? Only attribute, no tag. So it may be used with multiple attributes, so that will animate, right, with font size 10 pixels and padding. So you can see ol type, this is the attribute, so it will affect to this. Its font size will be increased because animate function is used, and the padding left, so that increase the space from the left hand side. So this is how you can use the attribute selectors by its attribute, right, using jQuery. So that's it for today. I hope you people can perform this 3 program after watching my video. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.